Today it's another Sandero project video. This time we're doing brake pads again, and we're also doing a caliper spray job, so let's get to it. Shabir from SN GM, and he's again scratching on my brakes. I don't know what happened this time around that we ran on metal to metal with these EBC pads. Seems like EBC pads are very soft, so he's cleaning up the caliper so that we can do a nice yellow spray on the caliper. And we're obviously not going to show you how to do the brake change because we've done it already, so this is going to be a montage of us doing a caliper spray job. Spray on the car. We're not taking the caliper completely off because we don't have much time. As you can see, it looks gloomy and it's probably gonna rain soon, so we want to get this knocked out as fast as possible. So we're going to do a spray job on the car, taping off everything, making sure that everything is covered nicely before we start spraying, so we have no overspray. First one done, waiting for it to dry. Then we're going to put the brake system back together and put the wheel back on and move to the passenger side after that. That looks sexy. Quick job, quick spray job. We didn't do the best of jobs, but I think it came out quite good. What do you think, Shabir?
Yeah, not bad at all for a quick job.